Hello guys, and welcome to this amazing video. I'm going to be showing you how to create this kind of effect called morph skin. Now we see the body morphs into a different person. It's basically like I've forgotten the name of that person in X-Men, that lady that can morph into anybody. So this is, if you're looking for how to morph into a different character for your video effect or video project, this is great. This is the AI for you to use. Now all you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, sign in or sign up, click on visual effect and go on to choose the morph skin effect. On this section, once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to this page. If you have a different, if any of these videos speaks to you, you just click on it to recreate that exact video. But if not, you can also generate your own by clicking on the generate icon here. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page where you get to upload two pictures, one for starting and the second one for finishing. But you can, yeah, so you can describe what you want to, how you want the effect to take place in this area. So you can upload your first image and upload the second image you want to turn into here. And then once you're done, click on the model. This is very much okay, you don't need to do anything, but let you can just generate. Once you're done, just click on generate and your video will be ready for download in this area. So let me check, let me see if I can do, anyway, it doesn't matter. You can always upload your image by clicking on this area